morning, everybody. It's Gals Out West, Ginger and Bunny. We're back for a fun day to model your new shirt, Bunny. She got a red and the ladies. I'll have to show you mine in a minute because I'm wearing the GoPro. So we're getting our stuff together and we'll see what we get. I told her we need to be close together to throw, and she said, because she knows how I throw, that she had to get away from me. All right, you know the rules. Whoever gets the best thing on the first throw wins. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This water is high today. Look how high it is to this ladder and the bridge. Look at, it's never this high. It's only like a foot from the edge. We thought she had nothing. She says she has a little nail. I don't know, it seems like it's floating. I don't know if I have anything. I can't believe how high this is. Usually there seems to be stuff along the edge. Oh, I got something. Does a limb and a rag count?
Something on there.
I got a nail.
Well, yours is bigger than
Yours is big. Look at her
You
nail.
win.
Oh, wait, you have 2.
I do?
Is that a screw? Look
Where?
at right next to it. Isn't that 2?
No, it's just dirt.
All right, mine's bigger. I win then.
Yep, here, take this.
That was pathetic. Oh, I lost my cool rack. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. It's already, I don't know what it is already, but we got up early and not early enough. It's gonna be 106 today. Today is, what, Thursday? It's gonna be 113 this weekend, so our heat is coming back. I know everybody else is probably cooling off, but... And I forgot to put sunscreen on, so I'm gonna get burned to a crisp. Look, can you see the ladder right here? There's a string of white Christmas lights on it. Weird. All right, I didn't think I had anything, but I see. I think I get a lure. Okay. It's probably stuck on that ladder. Yeah. Yep, broke off. Alright, already. It's not good. Just another stupid little thing. You got anything? Oh my god, I'm roasting.
I wonder if this area stays dead because there's really nothing pushing the water.
Well,
Like those other spots.
there's not a lot of people either. Oh, I see something on there. Thought I was pulling stuff, but just an old wiped out bottle cap. Dang it. Let's try over here. Oh, I just got splashed. Oh. What do we got here? Oh, I got a pin. What does that say? Scottsdale Venture Realty. And a nail. And a clam. Weird. Okay, it's homeless camp over there, so I'm gonna try to steer clear of those. I see something under the water. What do we got? Just a can lid. Oh, Vienna sausages, probably. Okay, so I came over to, this is our state's idea of a bridge. It's a little canal bridge. I was bouncing it along. Oh, thought I had some pliers on there. I don't know. Looks like, I don't know, top of a decorative fence or something. Let's try that again. It's just nothing happening at this place. It's pretty bad. Oh, is that the end of a screwdriver maybe? I don't know. No, washer. I don't know. This is depressing. Alright, you guys. I feel like I'm pulling something. Just getting ready to leave, probably. See what we got. What the heck? Wow. Look at that. Big old piece of twisted something. I don't even know what that is. Alright, let's try again. See something underwater. Are you kidding me? It's just a stick. I got screw, whatever that is. Twisted nail, another nail. Whoopity-doo. Not much. I got this little doodad. Whatever. Can you see that? In the sun? Almost looks like a, well, it did. Look like a rhinestone, but I guess it was. I can see something under there. What is that? I'm gonna say aluminum. You don't catch aluminum, but what the heck? What is that attached to that bag? Why is there metal on that? That's kind of weird, don't you think? Let's go see what Bunny got. Show us what you got, Bunny.
3 things.
I don't have gloves on. Ick. It's like a paint handle. Rebar. What is that? Is that
Just
wires?
a piece of wire or
Oh, handle for something.
oh yeah, it's like a fan
Maybe a
crank.
drill or something. Ick.
That's it.
It's getting hot. Let me wrap it up.
You get anything?
There's not much here. Well, I got those when I threw out about 20 feet from the middle of the bridge. I got these 2 things. I got a pin.
Tom, you did much better than I did.
More nails. Alright, our last thing. Get it on a little strip. End it on a little strip. Alright.
Cross this place off.
Yeah.
Water flowing. That's what pushes it.
Well, I didn't have high hopes for this place. Lid, a little handle, whatever that is with the metal on it. Bracket. Pin for Venture Realty. Piece of a fence. Whatever that is. And her piece of rebar. So, okay, short trip. It's going to be 106 today, and we can kind of feel it already. Alright, like I said, we got some new shirts. Here's mine, women's V-neck that I initiated today. And then look on the... Alright, so I've been buying extra shirts, and if we ever hit any milestones, I'm gonna give them away. So, anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate those of you that watch and subscribe and comment. So thank you.